So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clone your voice using AI. So this is gonna be the link, speechify.com. You just need to copy this one. You don't need to copy all of these words right there, okay? So with this one, this is gonna be the website. This is gonna be the website you should be seeing on your end also. And by the way, it has a mobile version. So let's get right to it. You're gonna see these sections right here. It has text-to-speech, AI voice studio, products, teams, edu, and about. I just want you to hover your mouse on products and then a little bit on this text-to-speech, AI voice studio, avatars, and audiobooks. I want you to hover your mouse again on AI voice studio and you're gonna see voice cloning right there. So let's click it and you're gonna be redirected on this landing page. So this is gonna be your new landing page. It's gonna be AI voice cloning. Clone your voice in less than 30 seconds. Try it for free. And they have their feature right now. It's Halloween because it's technically Halloween right now. They're gonna do a little bit feature or rather filter on your voice that says a little bit more Halloween. So let's try right now. You have two options. You have record your voice or drop a file with your voice in it. Now here's the thing. A little tip for you: if you drop your file with your own recording, it will get you the more quality, the more precise your voice is. It will help you get that quality you're looking for. Compared to recording your own voice, it's not that specific. It's not that the same of your voice right now. Okay, just a little tip for you guys. But again, I'm gonna record my voice. So we were at the spooky Halloween carnival. It was dark and the stars were shining like up there. As soon as I walked in, we got pumped up. Games were all over the place and we wanted to play them all. Click stop recording. Check that one. Now write a message to synthesize. I'm just gonna type good morning and good afternoon. Now this should be the new script that my voice will say in the help of AI. Simply click on generate audio and we're gonna wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute, okay? Now while waiting, I hope
Good morning and good afternoon.
while waiting it suddenly came in, right? So again, let's play that one up.
Good morning and good afternoon.
Now, as you can hear, it's not that specific because we can hear ladies speaking. Again, this is a free version. If you want that specific audio that the same as your voice, I suggest dropping a file of your own voice recording or subscribing to their monthly subscription. Anyway, you can generate again right here on this button and edit the words you're gonna say on this button. That being said, you can save it right here if you're satisfied with it. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.